So, I got an issue. I got a problem. So, pretty much, let me just show you. Alright, so this is the inside of my car. Alright. Cool, right? Let's put the key in the ignition. There we go. Boom. Turn that off. Alright. Turn the light off. So, we're in the inside of my car, right? It's getting kind of hot in here. Let's roll down the window. We're cruising around, right? Having a good time. Feels real nice out. You got your arm out the window and oh no, starts to rain. Well, let's roll back the window. Won't freaking work. So yeah, let's fix that. When I bought this car, it came with a few minor issues. One of those being the windows. If you can't tell, my passenger side window goes down, but it won't go back up. I went to the junkyard and I picked up this window switch off of an 85 Z31. Let's start off by taking out these little pegs that hold the door card on. As you can see, I'm already missing one, and this little handrest will come out. And hopefully we won't actually have to take out the whole door card, but we'll see how that goes. Pry those out. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Come on. I'm getting a screwdriver. There we go. Double trouble. Ooh. Yes. Oh no, it's all the way under the car. Alright, now we can access these bolts. Alright, got a big old screwdriver. Fredo. We did it. Alright, here's our power window switch right here. So what we have to do is we have to take off this little cover. If I can get that there. We have to take off this little cover and then I'll unscrew it. And then we have to take the old cover off of this one, snap that guy on, screw it back in. It's real easy, real simple. I'll show you guys how it's done. It comes off real easy. And then there's just 2 screws for me to undo, and these are actually loose. I could unscrew these with my hands. Easy as that. Let's hope this new one works. So we'll grab this, pop it out like that. We'll grab this, pops back in there. All right, let's hope this works. All right, let's give her a test. All right, we're in the car. It's getting kind of hot in here. Ah, that's nice. There we go. Oh shoot, it's starting to rain out. Yeah, heck yeah. It worked. Y'all have no idea how long I've been wanting to put a new window switch in, and I got to keep my same cover and everything. That was an easy upgrade. If y'all are looking to fix a broken window switch, I found it very hard to find switches online anywhere. No one really sells anything. I managed to find the left side, driver's side switches, but I was never able to find a passenger side switch. So if you guys are looking for one, I'd recommend checking your local pull-aparts and trying to find a ZX out there. And that's exactly what I did. Works great, and I only paid like $2 for it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.